In today's video, I will walk you through how to track crypto market trends with CoinMarketCap. To start tracking cryptocurrency market trends, begin by reviewing the market information displayed at the top of the CoinMarketCap homepage. This header section provides key metrics that show the overall movement of the crypto market. First, check the total market cap value. Review whether this number is increasing or decreasing over time. A rising value shows that more capital is entering the market, while a declining value shows that capital is leaving. Next, check the 24-hour volume metric. This shows the total trading activity across exchanges during the last 24 hours. Compare trading volume with price movements to review the strength of current market trends. Then check Bitcoin dominance, shown as BTC percentage. This displays Bitcoin's market share compared with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. When Bitcoin dominance increases, capital is generally moving toward Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dominance decreases while the total market cap continues rising, it can indicate stronger movement into altcoins. To track market trends by sector, use the Categories section. Click the Categories tab located above the main cryptocurrency leaderboard on the homepage. Review the different cryptocurrency sectors listed in this section. These categories include areas such as Layer 1, AI tokens, DePIN, real-world assets, and Layer 2. Sort the category list by 24-hour percentage change or 7-day percentage change. This will show which sectors are currently gaining the most momentum. Next, review market sentiment using the Fear and Greed Index on the CoinMarketCap homepage. Locate the index and check the current value. If the index shows extreme fear between 0 and 25, the market sentiment indicates strong investor concern. If the index shows extreme greed between 75 and 100, the market may be experiencing strong buying activity. To check short-term momentum, use the Gainers and Losers section. Hover over the Cryptocurrencies tab in the main menu and select Gainers and Losers. Adjust the available time filters, such as 24 hours or 7 days. You can also filter the results by top 100 or top 500 cryptocurrencies. Review the listed gainers and check the types of cryptocurrencies leading the movement. Compare whether the top-performing assets are larger platform tokens or lower liquidity meme coins. For long-term trend analysis, open the page of a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Locate the main price chart section. Select the All Timeframe option to view the complete price history of the asset. Next, change the chart setting from Limin, which represents the linear view, to Log, which represents the logarithmic view. The logarithmic chart displays price movements based on percentage changes, allowing you to review longer-term patterns across the asset's history. By reviewing the market dashboard, categories, sentiment indicators, gainers and losers, and logarithmic charts, you can track cryptocurrency market trends using the available tools on CoinMarketCap. Thank you for watching.